Hello learners. Welcome back to Learning is Cool. Today's video is Action Verbs Beginner Quiz. Test 1. There are 40 questions. Each question has 2 choices, and you have 5 seconds to guess the correct answer. Before we start, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more cool English learning content like this. Are you ready? Let's begin. Always be prepared. I have so many things to do. Did you make this salad? I drive the car to work. Please write it down on a piece of paper. Do you see what I see? Go and play with the dog. I sit for 10 hours a day. Can I please use the toilet? My sisters study in that school. Where do you want to go? Does anyone know the meaning of this word? Please take care of my belongings. Gary will come to your place tonight. I think about you too. Look up in the sky. Did you guess this correctly? Let us know in the comments. I'm giving you a second chance. What app do you use to edit your photos? My mother can't find her wedding ring. Please tell me it's not true. I am working on weekends. I feel sad whenever she's not around. Can I ask you a favor? Let's try our best to make it work. Where did you leave your things? Could you please call Mr. Smith later? I need to get a new table. My son has finally become a doctor. Please put the potatoes in the oven. What do you mean by that? Keep everything neat and tidy. Let me buy you a drink. The show will begin shortly. I will help you finish your project on time. She is talking, but no one is listening. I hear you loud and clear. I play tennis as a hobby. Let's move this box out of the way. He likes your new jacket. Thanks for watching. How many questions did you answer correctly? Share it in the comments below. Please like and subscribe for more quizzes like this. Always remember, learning is cool.